This new feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to use the comparison operators of the task filters. Since there are many tasks in the schedule, it may be difficult to locate certain tasks. So in Fuzor 2024, more comparison operators are added. Before, you can only select equal to, but now there are greater than, less than, and many more. The first objective is to filter tasks with planned total cost that is greater than 100,000 USD, and the second objective is to filter tasks with a planned duration of greater than 10 days. This will help the construction team plan for resources. For the first objective, go to 4D Simulation, and on the left, click Task Filters. Under Custom Task Filters, click New, then click Task Filter 1, and here, scroll down and look for planned total cost. For comparison operator, we now have more options, so select greater than and change the column value to 100,000 USD. Click Enter and click the checkbox here to enable it. Now here are the tasks that has a cost of more than 100,000 USD. For the second objective, we can unselect this first, then click New, click Task Filter 2, scroll up, and you will see Planned Duration. Click the checkbox, then for Comparison Operator, click Greater Than, and change the column value to 10 days. Click Enter, then to enable it, click the checkbox here. Now these are the tasks with more than 10 days duration. Thank you for watching the video.